Today I'm going to cook you one of my favorite vegetables, salsify. It's still very popular in Belgium, but unfortunately very few people still make it fresh and mainly comes in jars now, ready cooked. Salsify is a seasonal winter root vegetable and some people call it the poor man's asparagus. Salsify is usually served in a white bechamel sauce and that's what I'm going to do. Actually we're going to do it a little bit a la confit style and then we're going to make a nice velvety white bechamel to go with it. Just have to explain something. When you peel salsify, there's a milky substance coming from the root and that can oxidize very quickly and also can make your hands very brown. So if you want to use gloves. But to stop it from oxidizing after we have peeled it, I'm just going to squeeze some lemon juice into a bowl of water. And then as soon as we peel them and cut them, we're going to put them in this water and that'll stop them from oxidizing or changing the color. We want to keep them nicely white. I'm just going to cut off the ends. Okay, we're going to cook our salsify. I'm going to add a large knob of butter to a medium heat frying pan. When the butter is nearly melted, I'm going to start adding my salsify straight from the water in the frying pan, because actually we're going to add a little bit of water. And this is a cooking method I use a lot. I don't really tend to cook or to boil vegetables anymore, you just lose too much flavor. I'm going to season with some sea salt and black pepper. And I'm going to add another splash of water. Cover it with a lid. And we're going to reduce the heat a little bit. And we're just going to simmer this now until the vegetables are soft. Just check it regularly, and if you see that all the water is evaporated, just add another splash of water. And then the butter afterwards will have a fantastic flavor from the salsify, and we're going to use that one to make our velvety bechamel. Whilst my salsify is getting tender, which should only take about 25-30 minutes, I'm going to infuse my milk for my white sauce. I'm just putting the milk in a saucepan. I'm just going to quarter an onion and add it to the milk. And I'm going to crush a couple of garlic cloves and put it in there as well. And I'm just going to bring this to close to the boil. I don't really want it boiling. And all it takes is about 5 minutes for the milk to infuse. Okay, my milk's been infusing for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to strain it. I'm going to finish off my white sauce with a bit of liaison, which is basically I've got 2 egg yolks here. I'm going to put in a good splash of double cream. And that's going to give a nice velvety rich flavor to my white sauce. Alright, let's check our salsify. Just take a small knife. Look, that's nice and soft. And if they slide off, it means they're soft. It's only been 25 minutes, so that's perfect. I'm just going to slot out the salsify in a dish and keep it warm. We're going to bring this to a rapid boil, and that's just going to cook off the rest of the water that's in there. So we are just left with our butter, which now has a fantastic salsify flavor. Okay, that's it. All my water is gone. I'm actually going to add a little bit more butter and switch off the frying pan. I'm going to add my salsify butter to a small saucepan on medium heat. I'm going to add my flour and just cook out the flour a bit, like a roux. It's important to cook out the flour. You want to cook the roux until you get the nice smell of baked biscuits, basically. And that's it. And then I'm going to start adding my milk and keep whisking well. Season with salt and black pepper. And a little bit of nutmeg. So my sauce is now cooking and is thickened. I'm going to switch off the heat and take the saucepan off the cooker. And now I'm going to add my liaison. First we're going to add a little bit of the hot sauce to the egg yolk and cream mixture. We don't want to put it straight into the hot sauce, otherwise we'll just get scrambled eggs. So nicely whisk it in. And then this can go back in the rest of the sauce while stirring. So just going to try a bit for seasoning. But that's perfect. It doesn't need anything else. And that's it. Nice, creamy, velvety white sauce. Okay, kept my salsify warm in the oven. And now what we need to do is just pour over my sauce. And this is how it's generally served in Belgium. And I'm regularly serving this with my veal escallops. Just gonna sprinkle on some flat leaf parsley. And that's it. Well, we have to taste, no? Delicious and so much better than from a jar. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you.